You can generate all the AI images you want completely for free and without limits. All you have to do is come to Google and type perchance image generator. You search and you click the first option, the first link. Once you are here, all you have to do is click on this big white box and type whatever you want to generate. For example, a white dog in a garden. You click this big generate button right here and it starts generating. After a little bit of waiting, here we have 4 different results for white dog in a garden. Let's say you want to download this one. All you have to do is go to the bottom left corner. You see a heart here, you click it and then you click on save to your device. That's all you have to do. And now I'm going to quickly explain the 4 options that you have in this website so you can make a better use out of it, okay? The first option right here is anti-description. You can type here, for example, flowers, and the next time you generate images, there will be no flowers in the image, okay? The next option right here is art style. As you can see, the 4 results we have right here are like a painting in a canvas. That's because we have the oil painting style selected. You can click here and select any other style. You can select anime, you can select Disney character, whatever you like. The next option is shape. As you can see, these images are a square, but we can select portrait to make them vertical, or we can select landscape so we generate horizontal images, okay? It depends on what you need the images for. And finally, right here we have the how many option. As you can imagine, you can select here how many images you want to generate at a time, up to 32. Of course, the more you select, the longer it will take to generate. And that's all you need to know to generate free, unlimited AI images.